This cabbage juice heals stomach ulcers, detoxifies the liver and soothes inflammation. Cabbage belongs to the Brassica genus of plants, which includes broccoli, cauliflower, and kale. Informally, members of this group are known as cruciferous vegetables. This versatile vegetable can be eaten raw or steamed, fermented, and even juiced. Cabbage juice is loaded with nutrients, such as vitamins C and K, and drinking it is linked to many purported benefits, including weight loss, improved gut health, decreased inflammation, balanced hormones, and body detoxification. The impressive health benefits of cabbage juice include detoxifying the body, boosting immunity, weight loss, faster healing of skin issues, balancing hormone function, lowering blood pressure, among others. Skin care. Cabbage juice is loaded with antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, all of which can help improve the health and appearance of your skin. It can flush out free radicals from the surface of the skin and reduce signs of aging, such as wrinkles and blemishes, while giving your skin a healthy glow. Detoxifies the body. Famed as a diuretic substance, people have been drinking cabbage juice to get rid of toxins in the body for centuries. Glucosinolates are found in cabbage juice, which can help eliminate many of the toxins, unnecessary hormones and enzymes from the body. It also helps detoxify the liver and kidneys. Weight loss. Cabbage juice is extremely low in calories, coming in at only 18 calories in a glass. However, this juice is also quite nutrient-dense and can help your body feel full, thus lowering your risk of snacking between meals and overeating, and making cabbage juice an ideal part of a weight loss diet. Boosts immunity. With the presence of vitamin C, antioxidants, and other immune-strengthening minerals, this juice can be a great shield for the immune system. Furthermore, some of the tree's active ingredients can counter the release of histamines in the body, which reduces the workload of your immune system. Lowers cholesterol levels. Numerous studies have found that regular consumption of cabbage juice can help lower your LDL cholesterol levels, which is the bad form of fat that can lead to heart issues. By balancing your cholesterol levels, this juice can help with weight loss and improve heart health. Maintains stomach health. This is what cabbage juice is most famous for, balancing the acidity levels in the stomach and reducing the presence of stomach ulcers. Due to the presence of sulforaphane and other natural enzymes, the mucus lining of your stomach will be strengthened and it will be much harder for peptic ulcers to form. In fact, studies have shown that drinking 4 to 6 cups of cabbage juice per day can eliminate stomach ulcers in under 2 weeks. Improves brain function. Research has connected some of the active ingredients in cabbage juice, namely anthocyanins and vitamin K, to improved brain function and lower depositions of plaque in the neural pathways. In combination with the other antioxidants in this beverage, you can lower your risk of neurodegenerative disorders. Balances hormone levels. There is a significant amount of iodine found in cabbage, which means that this juice can help regulate and monitor your thyroid gland and hormone production. This is an essential mineral in which many people are deficient, but if you want to reduce your chances of developing hypothyroidism, this juice is precisely what you need. Anti-cancer potential. There are a number of unique antioxidants in cabbage juice, including sulfuric compounds and isocyanate, both of which can prevent oxidative stress and carcinogens from negatively impacting cells. However, further studies are needed to verify this claim. Lowers blood pressure. Cabbage juice offers a healthy dose of potassium, which means lower blood pressure due to its function as a vasodilator. This can reduce strain and tension in your blood vessels and arteries, which thereby lowers your risk of atherosclerosis, heart attack, and stroke, while also improving muscle and nervous system function. How to make cabbage juice. You can easily prepare cabbage juice at home, and since it is bland in taste, you can try adding some extra fruits, vegetables or spices. Purple, red cabbage tends to be slightly sweeter, making it a better option if you plan to mix the juice with other fruits. To make cabbage juice, you should use the dense middle of the cabbage head, although you can also throw in a few of the outer leaves. The flavor of this juice is also mild, making it ideal for subtly blending with other vegetable or fruit juices. Ingredients. 1 medium-sized green, red cabbage, finely chopped. Half an apple, peeled and cored. 1 inch fresh ginger root, peeled and sliced. 1 lemon, peeled. 1 cup filtered water. Instructions. To make cabbage juice, start by chopping, peeling, and slicing all the aforementioned ingredients. Add all the ingredients to your blender and blend for 2 to 3 minutes until the consistency is that of a smooth puree. Now, place a cheesecloth over the top of a bowl or container and strain the cabbage mixture through the cheesecloth. Press or squeeze the cheesecloth to get all of the remaining juice into the container. Garnish the juice with a cabbage leaf and serve it chilled. Given that cabbages, like other plants, for example fruits, don't have water content, you will need a powerful machine to extract all the juice out of it. If you use a blender, which most people do, you will have to add water. Another way in which cabbage juice can be beneficial for gut health is by fermenting it. By doing so, it is turned into a probiotic. Side effects of cabbage juice. There are very few side effects of drinking cabbage juice, although it is important to note that some people experience an increase in gas and bloating, while others report an increase in gut inflammation. Most of these side effects can be readily avoided if you practice moderation. Flatulence and bloating. The active ingredients in cabbage juice, namely sulfuric compounds, may interact poorly with the bacteria in your gut, resulting in an increase in gas. This can lead to bloating and discomfort. Try a smaller amount of cabbage juice if you experience this side effect. Irritable bowel syndrome. On a similar note, people with IBS have reported that drinking more than the recommended amount of cabbage juice results in a worsening of symptoms, including diarrhea, discomfort, and inflammation of the gut. Thyroid function. If you are drinking a significant amount of cabbage juice, perhaps to eliminate a stomach ulcer, there is a chance that you could affect your thyroid gland. While iodine is essential for the production of hormones and the regulation of the thyroid, too much of it can be dangerous. If you have hypothyroidism, speak with your doctor before making this juice a regular part of your diet.